Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how we can actually utilize AI to analyze Gary Vee's YouTube channel. Okay, as we all know, or most of you guys knows, Gary Vee is one of the best marketers out there. I highly encourage you to go and subscribe to his channels. He's one of the best. Okay, look, he's got nearly 5 million subscribers across 6,400 videos, right? So yeah, massive figure. Okay, so he definitely knows how to do how to run his YouTube channel, how to run his marketing business. Okay, so who knows? Maybe we're gonna find out some very informative insights, by checking his YouTube, by checking his videos. Okay. But before we move on, I just want to mention that I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video where guys can actually get my custom-made prompts. Okay, there will be 25 of those prompts. Okay, it's specifically made for people who are actually doing marketing on a daily basis. Okay, so I highly encourage you to go ahead and click the link below. Okay, and you can download this pack of prompts for free. Okay, so I hope it's gonna help you out, guys, with your marketing business. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so let's say that you want to go ahead and you want to analyze the Gary Vee's YouTube channel, Gary Vee's content, which you can find on YouTube. Okay, it's got 6,400 videos. Okay, which is a massive library of videos. Okay, and those days, if you want to go ahead, let's say that you follow the fella for a long time, you probably already know some of his videos. You know his style, you know what he's preaching about. But if you are new to the business, or new to the marketing, and you want to get a nutshell, idea what the Gary is talking about, okay, you can either go and watch his videos, which is absolutely, I highly encourage you to do so because he's definitely know what he's talking about, okay. You definitely need to find some time, to put aside, let's say the one video or two videos of those a week, and you definitely can actually grasp some ideas from him, okay. But we can also utilize the AI and actually speed up the process a little bit, okay. So for this purposes, what I will be using today, okay, I'm gonna be using the NotebookLM. That's something which is very useful those days. Okay, we can actually go ahead and do some research, okay, based on the sources we are going to put into it. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and start with it, okay, you just need to go to notebooklm.google, and when you click on let's start with it, all right, and we're gonna create our new notebook. Okay, so there we go, and this is our new notebook. Okay, I'll put this close button here, and let's go and let's call this notebook. Let's say I'm gonna call it Garvey's channel analysis. Okay, because we want to know those. Those notebooks will be available for us, okay, later on. So where you can, guys, you want to go ahead and check it out, what you'll be searching for. Okay, it's highly encourage you to go and name them, the way you're gonna remember what it's all about. Okay, in the later day when you have like dozens of those notebooks, it can get messy. So it's nice to go and call it the right way from the beginning. All right, so now we want to upload some sources, okay? And there are a few things which we can do it. We can upload from the Google Drive, we can upload the websites, YouTube's, or copy text, right? In today's video, specifically for today, I'll be using this YouTube, right? So here we go. This is a YouTube thing which we're gonna be using here, okay? But we are not gonna be pasting out, those videos one by one, okay? As you can imagine, what you need to do, you just need to click on that video, go ahead, copy the address of that video, going back here and paste it up. Okay, so we can speed this up. Okay, that's what the AI is for those days. Okay, and the additional couple of tools we're gonna be using today, it's called Grab It. Okay, that's one of those. So you need to go ahead and add it on into your Chrome. Okay, those tools which I'm using are all based on Chrome. Okay, so you need to go ahead and add this one to your Chrome. And also the second one is NotebookLM Web Sync, okay, full site importer, right? So those two tools are actually sufficient for us actually to speed up the process, all right? So now before we move on, okay, right after you install Gravit, okay, you should go to the Gravit settings, right? And you can go and add the new action, okay? I already have my action here in place, right? So what it does, okay? Once I click my left mouse button, okay, plus the control key, okay, I'll be seeing that selection colored in yellow, okay? And what it does, right, it's gonna copy all URLs to clipboard, okay? So all those URLs which will be selected, okay, I'll have it copied it automatically, okay? So I need to leave that option on, okay, and save, click save, and it's there, right? So that's how it works, right? Okay, so now uh, the second tool, this notebook LLM web sync, I'll be using in a minute. I'll show you how to use it. Okay. So let's say that we want to go ahead and start our selection. Okay. So let's see, we need to click grab it. Okay. And now look, we're gonna select a few of those videos. Okay. Obviously I want to speed up the process. I don't want to go for all those 6,000 videos, all right? But few of those. So few of those are already there, right? And here you go. They are already been copied there, right? Which is absolutely fantastic. The next stage is we need to click this link here. I already have this web sync been installed inside my browser. Remember, Chrome browser, that's something which we're going to be using, okay, today. And now select your notebook, okay? Gary Vee channel analysis, okay? That's the notebook we already have there, right? So basically we need to go and paste it in, all right? So you see, it's all been imported here, okay? Once I paste it in, import URLs, and it's working, okay? So it's scrolled 44 pages. Basically, it means that I actually selected 44 videos, right? So this AI tool is actually going scrolling through all those videos which I've been only highlighted, okay, one by one, and it's added on into my NotebookLM, and it's done in a split second, okay, about 10-20 seconds, and there we go, and we're already there, okay, and everything is there. Look, guys, okay, it's amazing, it saves you so much time, right? Can you imagine? You instead of you going to one by one to those videos, copy the link and add it on here. There we go. You have it straight away. Okay. And now what we can do, we can start analyzing. Okay. So make some basic analysis. Um, Analysis of this of those videos, right? Okay, so I just, that's something which is really up to yourself. You can go ahead and start do some analysis based on that. Okay, and what this notebook LLM will do for you. Okay, we go through all those videos, right, and we'll start preparing you, some sort of, basic information what it's all about, and then you can go even deeper. Okay, you can go and create a video or audio overview of that video overview. Even the mind map reports, flashcards or quizzes. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's something which we definitely got this in a split second. We got all analysis of those 44 videos. Isn't it amazing? I think it is, guys. So, guys, plus, please remember that this is something which I want to also cover inside those prompts, which you're gonna find out if once you click inside the description of this video. Okay, once you get those prompts, okay, those prompts will speed up the process of doing your marketing jobs. Okay, so some of those prompts you can either use in ChatGPT or even here in the Notebook LLM, and to speed up your research, okay, and be more successful. So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you find it helpful, please leave the like, and if you can subscribe to my channel, be much appreciated.